Hey everybody, welcome. Again, I'm Mike, and I'm glad you're here. Today's going to be a quick video, and it's going to be a giveaway. I've been meaning to do this for a very long time, but my subscriber count was getting like 730, 740, which is crazy. I can't believe it. But so I surpassed 750, and I never thought I would get there, but I'm blown away. And I know in the big scheme of things that's like tiny, but to me that's huge. I mean, to know that there's that many of you that support me, it's just I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. And in lieu of that, not in lieu of that, but because of that, I'm going to give away this Robert Sorby detail point tool. You see I've used it before in videos, not this one, but another one. And the story behind this is I bought one. Just going to tell you how long I've been meaning to do this. I bought one, I put it on my Christmas wish list, and I went ahead and bought one, and my mom bought one also for me, and I didn't know about it. So I got the one I bought, and then we went to our house for Christmas, and I had this one there under the tree. So I don't need two of them, and I didn't want to send one back because there's no reason to. And I figured I'd just use it for a giveaway. So if you would like to be put in the drawing for one of these, just comment on this video. Just put, like last time, just say yes please, and Friday at noon I will post a video, and I'll do the random comment picker, and I'll post the winner. So good luck, and again, thank you. You guys have a blessed day.